Okay, so we are going to start to build a tulip hedge. This concept can be utilized for what I'm going to start off with, which is a display, entry table, escort, a bar statement. This can be something that is actually part of a larger installation. So general concepts you can be utilized. And then I'm placing off-centered in one vase here, and then my florals are primarily going to be placed into the frogs. So if I can kind of do them at a diagonal, I know I can play to the shapes of each other much easier rather than putting them right in the center of every vase. So just thinking about that when you're placing your frog into a vessel, if it's a multi-piece or deconstructed arrangement, set yourself up for success. I know that the weight of this is, since I'm going to be, most of my movement is going to be going towards the other florals in this overall piece, I will want to weight this towards the back, and that way I'll have more leverage. Or if I want to create a taller moment here where your eye can be caught by something similar here. So just kind of pre-thinking about a few of your placements doesn't hurt. I have some moss that has already been hydrating, and the way that this is going to be incorporated into this finished piece is with a chicken wire and aviation snips. If you're not already in ownership of the Habitat Friendly Floristry Guidebook, I suggest, because every single tool you're possibly going to need to create flowers without oasis foam or excess waste, it's in there, and that is on our website. So it's in the Crimson Floral School if you are looking for that book. I think it is on sale right now as well. So we have little sections that I'm just cutting like this because I know my vases are only 2 inches around, and then I'm taking like a little 3 inch by 6 inch section, and I'm gonna fold it over onto my hand like a saddle. Whoa. And then kind of roll it. I don't want any of that spiky part where it's been cut facing up towards my flowers, so I have like the nice rounded edge here. Just kind of created a log of sorts. And as you can see, I have a few of those little logs or nests, so then I just bunched all of the spiky parts down onto itself, and I kind of have something like that with a little grid, and there's no spikes facing up towards my tulips. And I'm gonna place that right there. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my other one on the opposite side of that frog that's already been placed within that vessel. So both sides are covered in chicken, and then there's a frog in the center, and it is this reusable plastic liner. And we are prepped. You can tape the top if you'd like, but where I'm putting that chicken wire is essentially just going to be for moss. So what I have built out here on our draped podium are the 3 vessels that we've prepped with the chicken wire and the frog inside, as you can see here. I created 2 24-inch, let's say approximately in size, moss logs. This is a hydration source. This is also creating structure for us. We've been over that already. And then the additions that you can also see are, I placed the candlelight. with the last few placements of Lisianthus, I really want to enhance and bring out the larger groupings, as previously mentioned, of the main flower, which is the focal, this parrot tulip. This has a nice little blushy color to it, so by clustering those similar tones, you can enhance that, or you can use it, as I am here, to kind of blend or bleed in from one path to another so that we can see more of that pink. And it's so nice having this moss log hydrated, because I can choose to go right into that or the vase behind it. I have so many options as far as hydration source. I have a couple more stems, and that's why I wanted to just show you how I finished this piece overall without losing the tulip as the main focal. I'm going to replace this one so we can see more of it. And I just have it wired into the center of the stamen of the flower, down into the stem, and then wrapping around the other stem. So as you can see, just readjusting it, we can see more of the center of that flower. And I'm really loving just this organic kind of spilling of leaves. If I had some more, I might add some here so we can kind of see that together. You can have so many shapes kind of created with these tulip leaves. Thinking a little moment at the edge of this statement piece, and it'd be so lovely around a cake. You could put a cake on a platform right here behind it, create another structure just like this in front of it so it's surrounded. So many uses. I really want to connect these moments